Hello, my friend. This is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel, AutoCAD Tips. Today I'm going to show you that how to overlook on your layer objects on layers, which objects in which layer, so you can look as soon as. Okay. Now I'm going to be open here layer option. I'm using drafting and annotation. Okay. Now you can go here. You can click here layer walk. Click on here. Now you can get a box here. You can get a box here. All layers are selected. When you click on tile, the tiles object will be remaining. All objects are off. Let's check. See, this is a tile object, so that's why it's on. All are off. Now you can select one by one, and you can check which layer is on and which layer is off, and which one is you no need. You can delete it the layer. Okay, just click on block origin. See, there is no object. There is no object in the block origin. You can click on door. So there is one object in the door. Glass, line, and roof, and text, and tiles, ventilation, and window. You can overlook on your objects that which objects have in which layer. Okay, right. I hope you like this video. It's a simple thing, and you can be very useful to you when you have too much layers, so you can look your objects which layer in which box. Okay, so after you click close, it will on everything. Okay, thank you. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so when I upload a video you can get a notification. Share with your friends, like and comments. If you have any doubt, please comment me. I will definitely give you a reply. Thanks. Bye bye.